Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Let's talk some Bitcoin here at Not Your Father's Capital. This is going to be something where you guys want to know, why is Bitcoin doing what they're doing? We're seeing it tank a little bit. It's kind of the sell the news event that we're seeing from the spot ETFs within Bitcoin. I want to give you guys my thoughts and break down exactly how I'm feeling about BTC as we move forward into the end of January and beyond. So make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. Never miss a beat when we talk crypto here on the channel or on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. But let's get down into it, guys. And not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But we're seeing Bitcoin tank about 17%, almost 40,500 since the Bitcoin spot ETFs have arrived. Now, why is this important? Okay, and it's something where we look into crypto from time to time. We overreact, we get emotional, we make moves as investors. I'm guilty of it, you're guilty of it. We've all done stupid things. Now, there's a lot of people where we're seeing a lot of institutional play, right? We're seeing a lot of players come into the game institutionally. That's causing a lot of FOMO, a lot of FUD as well, but it's more so causing a lot of FOMO. And it's been good and it's been good and it's been bad. So obviously it's not crystal ball advice. Nobody has that crystal ball. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence. But in my personal opinion, it comes down to a few things. So let me get into that. But more so, it is this sell the news event that we're seeing within Bitcoin. And some of the on-chain data has indicated a little bit of what the factors are going on that's causing Bitcoin's value to go down within what we're seeing institutionally, more players getting into the game, okay? So everybody expected the spot ETFs to cause Bitcoin to go absolutely nuts. We're talking billions of transactional volume and revenue coming into the fold for some of these institutions. Well, you know, what's going to happen with that? Are they going to take those profits? Are they going to put it back into crypto? Are they going to put it into traditional stocks? That's something where you don't know, but we did almost come close to 50K, guys. And if you look at how the markets have been performing, 70,000 and beyond for Bitcoin's all-time high, we're pretty close, right? The other altcoins, in a sense, are lagging Bitcoin. So you can say maybe Bitcoin's running a little bit hot within the spot ETFs, the halving cycle coming up, okay? But this ETF approval has ushered in a lot of huge players. We know BlackRock and Grayscale, and this is where we've seen over 8,000 come off of Bitcoin's price, right? Almost 17, 18% since January, okay? That's less than 24 hours, guys. So what is the mystery that's going on, right? Central exchanges are basically seeing inflows of money. So that's obviously liquidations that we've seen. We've seen some of the wallets associated with some of these big institutions moving their crypto to exchanges, okay? Now, you can call it what it is, but they could be liquidating, they could be maneuvering, but more so, is this a sell the news event from an institutional standpoint? That's kind of what I have my guts telling me. Let me know down in the comments your guys' feelings, okay? Is this the trend that we're seeing? These sell-offs that basically they're getting into fiat, more so within these institutional big names on centralized exchanges. That's what it comes down to. That's what's causing the selling pressure, in my opinion, on the Bitcoin market. But it's more so not just going from 48,000 down to 40,000 roughly. What's most alarming for me is who is selling, okay? Within these transactions, we've seen the time held, okay, for Bitcoin reach all-time highs in that metric. And that's where you see the long-time holders of Bitcoin tokens or coins begin to circulate. Okay, so BTC began circulating in these exchanges, and that outflows, more specific, within the Grayscale Trust is what's most alarming. Okay, it's intriguing, yet alarming. So we've seen this sell-off. A lot of the institutional, the long-time players, okay, are decreasing their Bitcoin holdings. So whether or not they're basically using the FOMO, the hype train as a way to basically use people on the retail side of the coin to become exit liquidity, that's yet to be further determined. But more so my analysis and what we're seeing with these trends, okay, this is something where we've seen the top of Bitcoin not reached, okay? It's not in yet. This is something where we've seen concern with some of the shuffling of positions. This is why I talked to you a little earlier in the video about some of the emotional stuff that we're seeing within investors and traders. Okay, but you want to call this a bull market, go for it. But the volume yet is not there despite even this ETF talk, okay? So this is something where you're seeing a little bit of a setback, a little bit of profit taking, a little bit of liquidations, a little bit of price jockeying, manipulation by these institutional forces, not so much yet exiting the bull market. That's kind of what I'm seeing. That's my personal opinion. Let me know down below in your guys' thoughts and comments. In regards to that, we'll take a quick dive into what we're seeing on the trading view, guys. Here we are right here currently as we record, 41,600. And now my indicator just flashed a little momentum down. Not a crystal ball, but guys, I use this with all of my crypto trading. This is xtalgo.com. There's a link down below in the description. Check it out for 20% off, promo code NYFC. No sales pitch really required. I'm not going to spend too much time. But you're going to see me use it in all of my videos. And guys, it simply works, okay? 30-day trial, money back, no questions asked, guarantee. Check it out. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Do your own research and due diligence, as always, guys. But that's what I wanted to share with you guys. A little bit of my analysis, my take, why we're seeing Bitcoin sell off, and why we're seeing this little drop down into the 40,500 range. But all things considered, very strong start to 2024 with a lot of catalysts, a lot more room to run for crypto and Bitcoin as we move forward in this bull cycle. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all are doing well. I appreciate each and every one of you being part of the channel. Make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out if you have not yet done so. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.